Okay, so this is the Inkwon Tag um, 4-in-1 printer. Um, it, as you can see, is quite compact. It is USB charged, so it's got an internal battery, so you don't have to run it on the mains. I ordered this a little while back on Kickstarter, and I have to say it was scheduled for delivery in July, and it's arrived in August. So on the basis that a lot of the stuff that I order on Kickstarter never turns up at all or very late, I'm quite impressed with it. Um, it is very, very simple to use. This little magnetic top ink cartridge goes in, it's magnetic as well, and it just clicks into place. There is a slot with an arrow that you push one sheet of the supplied paper in. It comes out the other end. Um, the kit I got was this as standard, and then because I ordered it on Kickstarter as what they call a VIP, I got this extra pack. So the extra pack includes another cartridge, which is good because this is a relatively new project, and basically the consumables you can't get in the UK at the present. So I'm hoping that will work out all right. As you can see, you've got the ability to print various things. So tattoos, yep, that's a temporary tattoo that I created on the printer. You can produce photos and labels, sticky back, comes with these things, whatever they are, installation auxiliary tools, I'll find out when I need them, USB cable, a nice little carry case, and again, because I was VIP, I got this, which is the UV kit. I haven't yet to work out what exactly that means, but it's got a UV thing there. I'm assuming this is for keeping your cartridges in. I don't know. I'll find out in due course. And they called it the Mega Pack gives you some more of the same. So again, I've got the ability to. I've got 40 sheets, so the ability to carry on till the new stuff arrives. Not really sure what that is, but again, it came free, so I'm not moaning. And I think quite nicely, a tote bag which is good because you can print on clothing, as you can see. So t-shirt transfer, and actually even a plain t-shirt, which I think is pretty good, really. I paid about £100 for everything, plus shipping, but it wasn't hugely expensive. It uses the Inkwon app, which is this thing. I find everything very, very easy because they provided QR codes for literally everything, and they take you to videos. So as you can see, you choose tattoo, sticker, iron, photo, anime, labels. Setup is a breeze. You turn that on by holding this on and off switch down for 3 seconds, at which point this starts flashing blue. You go into the app and it will find it, and away you go. And it is really just a matter of going in. You also take pictures of the camera's guide and all sorts. You go into that. You can pull in a photo from their library, or in my case, just choose a image that you've created. So again, on this, I just created an image using ChatGPT. There's all sorts of things, filters, adjustments, cropping, filling, all sorts of stuff, and you can doodle and play with that to your heart's content. Tap in auto fit. The only thing I think is a bit weird is this, because I would have expected it to be up here, but I'm assuming that's the printable area. One thing you must obviously work out from these, you're not going to be printing a massive, great image. So these are fairly small, give you an idea of the dimensions of the label. One trick that I did learn, so for example, when I printed this one originally, it came out about that big, so rotating it can help. So that's a bit bigger. Still a little shiny, but that has literally just been applied. With regards to the tattoos, they're a bit strange because you've actually got two lots of sheets in there, so it says 40. What you've got is the tattoo sheet, so the thing you print on, and then a sheet that basically you stick on top of it that pulls that image off, and then you just use water to transfer it to your skin, which is also why it's a bit shiny. Overall, though, for that price, I think that's bloody brilliant. Very versatile machine. as I say, 4 different types of output, including the UV. But quite impressed, really, quite impressed. So that's it, the Inkwon printer. Inkwon, by the way, have been around for some time. They've got other printers and projects too. So I wasn't quite as afraid of backing this project on Kickstarter as I have been, and ripped off numerous times on Kickstarter, who, as I've alluded to in my other videos, really don't care what happens by the looks of it, if I'm honest. My own personal experience, I reckon, I don't know, 25-30% of the projects I've backed have either turned out to be a scam or just haven't received a damn thing despite having paid my money. So be careful when you back things on Kickstarter. Do a little bit of research. Nowadays, what I do is I pull up the information and ask ChatGPT if there's any reviews, as a website, you know, and even just, do you think this is a scam? And it will look and find potential patterns, if you like. But yeah, Inkwon printer. Enough about me. Very good. I'm going to probably end up with a few tattoos now. Have fun. So this is my first print. Couple of things. See where it says pull? Well, this was over the cartridge, the plastic, and I pulled that without taking the plastic off first, and this didn't do a damn thing because it was still covered with plastic. I'm not sure this is working at all, and I might have damaged it, I guess. We'll have to see in a minute or two to see what happens. Says it's printed 21%, but I can't see anything on there as yet. So I think I might have damaged that cartridge. I don't know. Oh no, it's doing something. No, it is now working. So just a warning, when it says pull, take this black plastic off first and pull it. Otherwise you get a bit of cellophane stuck over the print head and it prints absolutely nothing. This is a tattoo that I'm printing. It comes with a variety of different things, loads of bits. A bit confused how that works, but you'll see it's got a QR code on it, so that tells you what to do. So the tattoo paper is made up of 2 parts. We've got stuff to go on t-shirts and what have you. We've got stickers. I got the mega pack, so this is the UV printing kit with this UV stuff, whatever that may be. They even throw in a tote bag and a t-shirt and some extras when you sign up for the VIP pack, which is what I did. I guess the one thing to say is that they're not very big, so yeah, that's not the hugest of tattoos, but we will see. But it printed this time, so I'm going to try one more of those, and all you got to do is literally just use the app, choose a photo, choose what it is that you want to print, and away you go. So I'm going to try one more. It did say push the paper, or put the paper into the slot. I looked this side and I saw a slot. There's an arrow there. You really have to pay attention. If you put that in, there you are. It pulls it through for you. So I'm going to print another tattoo. I've chosen tattoo. You can choose a photo from the library. In this case, I'm going to choose a photo that I want. You can choose auto fit. That's a bit concerning because I thought, well, it's not on the label, but clearly it is. And then basically all you got to do is that. It says if you're doing it for a tattoo, mirror it, and you hit print, and away you go. I mean, it is simplicity itself, if I'm honest. And quite an interesting little device. It's not as slow as I thought it might be, and bearing in mind that the quality is pretty good, if I'm honest. I have no idea how this thing actually goes on yet, but I'll work that one out later. And I put it on photo quality. You can do a quick version, so if you're doing like, I don't know, something for a tote bag or just a label of some kind, you can do that. I would like a bigger label, if I'm honest, but that's the way it goes. It is portable, and as you can hopefully see, there is no need to plug it in. It's got a battery. You just charge it up through USB and off you jolly well go. And I'm quite impressed with the quality, if I'm honest. That's not at all bad. Probably better if you do landscape stuff, I guess, because you're going to get more on that label. But I suppose I could have tried turning that round, maybe. I don't know. It's got options in there to amend the image. The images themselves, I just went into Chat GPT and asked it to generate something. So you can pretty much do whatever you want with it. Hopefully that looks like it's all on there. We will see. So I'd say probably 45 seconds to a minute for an average print job on photo quality. And next we'll see how well or not the tattoos stick to my skin. We will see. Simply do not pull that. It tells you not to do that. It says let it push it through and it'll just drop out for you. And there we are. So 2 tattoos. 1, 2. Reasonable quality. We'll see how they look when they're on. Yeah, tattoo wise, I would like a bigger tattoo if I'm honest. There we are. First 2 prints. Quite happy with that. And then I've got to work out what to do with that. But I shall use that to work out what to do. I think that's very useful, having these little QR codes, and takes you straight to a video. That's it. The Inkwon printer. 4-in-1 printer. With all of the bits and pieces that I got with the mega kit. The only thing that I have discovered is that the consumables, ink cartridges and so forth, only available in the US at the moment, so I won't be doing lots and lots of printing just yet. Over and out. Okay, so I did indeed rotate the image so it's bigger than it was. So basically this is the tattoo. This is the transparent sheet that you have to stick over the top to get that to get to stick to this. And once you've actually done that, you then peel off this backing. That then goes on wherever you want it to put, and then you use a damp cloth to soak it, and it's then a water transfer, which I think people have probably seen those anywhere. The last 2, or the first 2 that I did not stick properly. Whether it's me or not, I don't know. You are supposed to cut around it, but I tried both hands, didn't work. So and this can be a bit fiddly. You have to sort of try and peel off the little sheet from the back. So you can see, hopefully you can see that that's a transparent sticky sheet. So whether it's something I did wrong, I don't know. But if I can ever get there, we are. We're getting there. We're getting there. That's it. So that's the transparent sheet, and you're supposed to put that over it because it's not on the label, completely on the label. It doesn't matter if it's not quite there. Then you're supposed to push down and rub it in, get rid of any air bubbles, to transfer the back sheet to the front sheet. And then fingers crossed, once I've cut it out, which I'm not going to subject you to, I will try and use that damp cloth to stick it somewhere. But so far I've ruined 2. But I've got 20 sheets and it's my first attempt, so I'll come back to you once I've cut this out, because I can't cut them out while wearing these glasses. I will come back to you in due course, hopefully as a tattooed man. Okay, so that's the finished product, so to speak. Doesn't look too bad, a bit darker than I thought it might be. I should have watched the video properly. It explains exactly what you need to do here. Basically you cut around it, which I knew, and then basically what you're supposed to have done is peel the plastic off. So this side off, I peeled the back off. When I did it the proper way, as shown, it sticks to your skin, which it didn't do before, which is why the others fell off. So I will try the other one. So yeah, watch the videos. The videos are available using the little code that you get on the packs. So these things, and they will save you wasting your money. But yeah, so I'm quite impressed with that. It's not bad for a temporary tattoo. Bit shiny, I guess, but then that's normal. So one more try, and then I'll come back and give a proper review and my thoughts.